In this video, I will show you how to withdraw on CoinMarketCap. So let's jump straight into it. Now, before we continue, I just want to mention CoinMarketCap itself is not a cryptocurrency exchange or wallet provider, so it doesn't offer direct withdrawal services. CoinMarketCap is actually a website that provides information about cryptocurrency prices, market data, and news. Now, it can direct you to exchanges where you can buy, sell, and withdraw cryptocurrencies, but you won't actually withdraw funds directly from CoinMarketCap. So if you are looking to withdraw crypto, here's a general process you would follow on an exchange. What you would do first is find an exchange. So you want to first find out where your cryptocurrency is stored. You may have it in an exchange account, like for example, Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, or maybe even in a personal wallet. So what you need to do is actually log into the exchange where your crypto is stored, navigate to the withdrawal section, which is often labeled as withdraw, send, or transfer. Then what you need to do is select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, whether that's Bitcoin or Ethereum or whichever crypto you want to withdraw, and then enter the destination wallet address. So this is going to be where you want to send your crypto. This could be a personal wallet address or alternatively another exchange account. Then what you would do is just confirm the withdrawal and any associated fees. After confirming, you may need to verify your withdrawal, for example through a two-factor authentication or maybe an email confirmation. And once processed, the cryptocurrency will be transferred to the provided address. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.